Hey everybody, welcome to Ask PC 911. This is a new segment where you get to ask us any question, gadget related of course, computer, PC, laptop, desktop, cell phone, tablet, any of those kind of gadgets, and we'll answer them for you right here. You can send them in via email, or you can comment on one of the videos, be it this one or any of the others as well, and we'll get that. Most of the questions are going to be coming in from clients. We have clients coming in every day with all kinds of questions, and I've never really thought of putting all that together in a video form and basically answering that for everybody else out there. I'm sure for every question coming in, there's another 100 people out there with that same question. So here we go. Simple question for today is, should I get a laptop or a desktop? Now I'm going to break that down into the simplest terms to not complicate this question any further, because if you just break it down into the simplest terms, you get an answer right there. Then from there we can go into, well, which laptop, which desktop, which features we need. So the simplest way to answer that is, do you need mobility? Do you need to move it? Do you want to use your device here, there, take it to a friend's, go in the backyard under the mango tree and watch a video or whatever the case may be? That's how you would, that's the simplest way to determine that. If you need mobility, just get yourself a laptop. Now, we'll go into some other videos on, you know, what kind of laptop should it be, an 11, 12, 13, Windows, Mac, etc. That's a you know, second phase of the question. And if you don't need mobility, you're going to go with a desktop. I myself love desktops because I don't need mobility. I'm here in the office at home. I have another desktop set up over there, so I'm a big fan of desktops. Maybe I'm a little bit biased towards the desktop, but I'll tell you a couple of points that I like of the desktop. If you're going to get yourself a laptop and sit it on a desk and it's going to sit there all day and it's not going to be mobile, advantages of a desktop: number one, if you spill a drink on it, you're going to ruin a $10 keyboard, versus on your laptop. It depends on your laptop, but it could cost you anywhere from, you know, $60, $80, $200. If it's a Mac, it's going to be a $200 repair. So durability as far as that kind of stuff. Also, the desktop, you're going to have a full keyboard, numeric pad, a full comfortable mouse. So convenience as far as that, typically that's a plus as well. The other one is your screen. On a laptop, you're going to have no more than a 17-inch screen, and on your desktop, basically as big as you want. I'd recommend at least a 22-inch screen. I'm working here with two 24s, which is another thing that a lot of people are not familiar with or don't take advantage of, even in the business sector, is two screens. Two screens for productivity is awesome. And if you're just, you know, having fun, you're going to have twice as much fun as well, because you could, especially today, everybody wants to multitask. But imagine with two screens, I mean, we're talking multitasking on top of multitasking. It's awesome. So that's another advantage. If one of your screen breaks, a screen runs anywhere from $99 to $120. On a laptop, your screen breaks, it's going to be more expensive. Also, upgrading. You want to have an extra hard drive on your typical desktop. Just add another hard drive, USBs, 8, 10 USB connections to it. You want more power. Usually, they're going to have more slots for RAM memory. If you want better performance, say it for video gaming, anything like that, the advantage of being able to change your video cards. I mean, the advantages on a desktop, as you can see, they're, I mean, multiple. It's one thing after the other. The only disadvantage on the desktop is you can't put it under your arm and take it to a friend's house or take it in the backyard. So, long-winded answer for a very simple question, and the simple question again is, if you need mobility, well, the simple answer is, if you need mobility, you get yourself a laptop. You don't need mobility, you get yourself a desktop. In further videos, we're going to be breaking it down. If you're going to do a laptop, okay, now what are we looking for in a laptop? And nowadays, it's very difficult to choose between one and another. We're going to be going into that in the next upcoming videos. See you on the next video.